Hey Jacob, how's it going over there at California Roofing Company? This is Terrence with High Road SEO, and I was just reaching out to you. I was doing some research on your company here, and just wanted to send over these three quick tips you can start using today to start outranking your competition. All right, now I don't want to waste anyone's time, so if by the end of this short video, you feel that the information that I've shared can help increase traffic to your site and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information today to start outranking your competition. All I ask is that you give me some feedback at the end of the video, if you wouldn't mind. All right, so going to be talking about three quick things here: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content's any words on the first page here, any pictures, what's behind the pictures, even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. All right, so definitely want to make sure that any pictures that we have saved on our site, they're saved under pictures and keywords that our consumers are searching for on Google. All right, very important. Also want to make sure that we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. Now, I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to be able to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases that we need to start ranking on these top pages. All right. So that's content. Secondly is citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your business is registered and can be found by a consumer. So for an example, Google, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. The citations help us by being able to rank in what's called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords that our customers are searching for. Obviously, the top three businesses in these positions will have increased traffic to their site. Now, how do we get here? We have a tool where we can see exactly how many citations we have as opposed to our competition. So the name of the game is coming in, not only matching what our competition is doing, but we want to get more citations than them, make sure that our Google My Business listing is optimized correctly, and then we can begin to outrank them and start taking this traffic here. Okay? Now, thirdly is backlinks. Backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. And a backlink essentially is another website that's linking back to our website. And what this does is gives us relevance, power, authority in Google's eyes so we can begin to rank on these top pages. Now, we also have a tool to see exactly how we're stacked up to our competition in this area as well. So if we plug in our information here, we can see that we have 20 referring domains, 37 backlinks. We're being found for 8 keywords, and this is bringing us 1 organic visitor to our site every single month here. All right, now we look at one of the top competitors in the area. They have over 200 referring domains, over 700 backlinks. They're being found for almost 900 keywords, bringing them over 650 organic visitors to their site every single month. Now, a quick tip about this tool is that we can come in and copy and see exactly where our competition are getting their backlinks from. So just like with the citations, we can come in and copy exactly what they're doing here in regards to their backlinks and then get more powerful, more relevant, more authoritative backlinks coming to our site so we can begin to outrank them and start taking this traffic. And I have to ask you guys, if you had over 650 organic visitors coming to your site right now, every single month, what do you think that would do for your business? All right, so with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up the opportunity that's available. And if you feel that me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat with you. I'll leave it in the description, but my number is 323-675-7483. All right, have a great day and speak to you soon.